there's so much information out there on mathematics, but so little easily accessible information about how to apply math. And in fact, if we look at the amount of intellectual energy that goes into building math problems, it usually outweighs significantly the amount of intellectual energy required to solve the math problems. So in the mathematical modeling process, there are so many math classes have been refined over decades, if not centuries. And at this point, there's all this infrastructure. If somebody starts with a mathematical problem, here's a bunch of sequenced classes that will help you solve that. But the number of teachers that have actually spent the time to like most math teachers don't even actually know where the fuck those problems come from, right? Those are engineering classes. But in the engineering classes, there's barriers to entry. They don't couch the problems in math theory. They couch the problems in engineering theory, right? And so like you have to go through a sequence of engineering classes to get to the place where you'd be able to state the problem. You have to simultaneously go through a sequence of math classes to get to the place where you can solve the problem. And so by the time you're in a situation where you understand where the problem comes from, you understand the math you need to solve the problem, you have to have already finished your fucking degree. And so what that means is like you're filtering out all of these students. Like if you hit the multiplier 0.4, right? So you take the number of students that finish classes, multiply that, or start classes, multiply that by 0.4, the 40% success rate. It's a bad mechanism, right? And